Now, in continuation to the previous session, we are working out the objectives in this basic trigonometry. Let us continue to more problems. I think we stopped at, do you remember the problem where we stopped? Any one of you?
No, sir. So you were doing MCQ type.
Yeah, this is MCQ. Just now, did I share the screen? No. I'm sharing the screen now. Just see this. I think we finished this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bhavi,
Yes, sir.
we finished this. Now,
Yes, sir.
this one also, I think I finished, and this one also finished. This one also finished. We have to do this, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, if you see this carefully, this P and Q are given, and you are given options like this. PQ is equal to 1, Q by P is equal to 1, Q minus P is equal to 1, and Q plus P is equal to 1, like that. So now, let us see. What I'm trying to do here, I want to make the denominator 1 plus sine theta through a kind of rationalization. Why I'm saying kind of rationalization? Rationalization word is to be used only to eliminate the roots. So generally, you're habituated to use that word, rationalization. It's a kind of rationalization. I'm saying that's the reason why. I want to see the relation between P and Q. So it is 2 sine theta divided by 1 plus sine theta plus cos theta. What I'm trying to do here, I'm multiplying and dividing the numerator with 1 plus sine theta minus cos theta whole divided by 1 plus sine theta minus cos theta. Now, any one of you, do tell me what should be the denominator now? It is in the form of,
A plus B, A square minus B square.
you're right. You're right. Maurya, what happens now?
Yes, sir. 1 plus sine theta the whole
A
square.
plus
Plus
B into A minus B,
Minus
which becomes
1
A square
plus sine
minus B
theta.
square. What will it be then?
1 plus sine theta minus cos theta the whole square. I mean, 1 plus sine
Correct.
theta square minus.
Now, let us simplify that. 2 sine theta into 1 plus sine theta minus cos theta. I'm writing the denominator now. Denominator is 1 plus 2 sine theta plus sine square theta minus cos square theta. If you observe these two carefully, what is that can be written in that place?
Sine square theta.
Yes, you're right. Bhavi,
Yes, sir.
instead of 1 minus cos square theta, we can write sine square theta. So 2 sine theta into 1 plus sine theta minus cos theta whole divided by, come on, tell me now. Instead of 1 minus cos square theta, let us write sin square theta plus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta. Plus sin square theta. Is it right what we are writing?
Yes, sir.
This becomes 2 sin theta into 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta whole divided by 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta. This is sin square theta plus sin square theta. What will it be now? 2 sin theta into 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta whole divided by, take 2 sin theta common, please. What is that you get? Sin theta plus 1, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What are the terms getting cancelled there now?
2 sin theta.
Yeah. That's getting cancelled. What else is remaining? 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta. Now, we have to find out the relation between that. 1 plus sin theta is there in Q in the denominator, but the numerator is differing there. Numerator, you have cos theta there, no?
Yes, sir.
So, something fishy there. Instead of that, 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta, q cos theta you can write. Let us verify this. I'm doing the method now. Whether the problem is correct or not, let us verify. How to verify?
Yes, sir.
You tell me. Put some value to theta.
Oh,
Bhavi,
Sir.
let us verify this first.
Okay, sir.
Put theta is equal to, if you put 90, this becomes 0. So you should not do that. Because this q becomes 0, this q becomes 0, this q becomes 0, then you don't get this. Anyway, if you put theta 0 now, what happens? This q becomes 0 and 0 by something is 1, which will not happen. Even this also becomes 0 and this also becomes 0 minus p is equal to 1. 0 plus p is equal to 1. So that is why let us take another value, theta 30 degrees. Or you can take better, we'll take 45 degrees. Now, do you help me out in writing P if it is 45 degrees? I'll write that step directly. Come on, tell me P. 2 sine 45. What is it?
2 into 1 by root 2.
By root 2.
Whole divided by 1
plus 1 by root 2
plus
plus 1 by root 2.
It is 2 by root 2. So numerator 2 by root 2, denominator 2 by root 2 plus root 1 plus root 2. 1 plus root. Then it will be, P will be 2 by 2 plus root 2. 2 by 2 plus root 2. Let us write Q now. Come on, tell me Q now. Q 45 degrees. 1 by root 2 whole divided by 1 plus 1 by root 2. Root 2 after LCM gets cancelled. 1 upon root 2 plus 1. So this is Q, this is P. Now what happens? Let us verify now. P into Q. If you write P into Q, this can be rationalized. Root 2 plus 1 can be rationalized. Root 2 plus 1 can be rationalized and it can be written as root 2 minus 1. Now P into Q will not be 1. Just check it out. This is P, this is Q. If you multiply them, you don't get 1. Then let us understand Q by P 1 or not. Q by P means this is root 2 minus 1 by 2 by root 2. If they are equal, that becomes 1. This is not also happening. Check this Q minus P, please. Q minus P. That is root 2 minus 1. I'll write it here. Root 2 minus 1 minus 2 by this is root 2 getting cancelled, and this is minus 2 by 2 plus root 2. This must be 1 if it is correct. This must be 1. So let us multiply this. 2 root 2 minus 2 and minus plus 2 minus root 2 minus 2 divided by 2 plus root 2. What are the terms getting cancelled here? Just see this. This is 2 getting cancelled and 2 root 2 minus root 2, root 2 minus 2 by 2 plus root 2. It is not also 1.
1.
So similarly, Q plus P we need. Q plus P means these to be added. Then what happens? You will get plus here. Problem is wrong, I think. Problem is wrong. This to be added. This is to be added. Then what happens? Just a moment. We wrote plus here. This is up to this, it is correct, but this is plus. Then what happens? These two anyway getting cancelled, that's okay. And 2 root 2 minus root 2. Root 2 plus 2 is remaining. So the question is wrong. Question is wrong. Let us correct it. Let us correct it. Just a moment, please. Question, I think, if I remember well, you must get Q by P 1. Then Q by P to be 1. What should be Q? Q should be, I'm correcting it. The numerator must be 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta. Whole divided by 1 plus sin theta. This should be your Q, please. Not this. Then what happens in this case? We started with P, no? Are you there, both of you?
Yes, sir.
We
Yes,
started
sir.
with P. We started with P and ended at Q. Just see. So, what should be the conclusion now?
Q by P equals
This is equal to Q now. Implies Q by P is equal to 1 or P by Q is equal to 1, whatever. Both are equal. Both are equal. So this should be the option B. Should be the option. There is a correction in that one. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Bobby, if I remember well, this is there in your academic textbook. This is there in your state board textbook. Just verify once.
Okay, sir.
It is there. book is with you now?
Yes, sir.
Just check in the beginning exercise. If I remember well, it should be there. So Maurya, what we did now, we have taken P here.
Yes, sir.
Because the denominator is containing 1 plus sine theta here. Okay. Maurya,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 plus sine theta here. What I did a kind of rationalization here. Kind of rationalization. Why I'm saying you should not use the word rationalization, because rationalization is the process of elimination of root, and you don't have any roots here. So that's the reason why what I did, 1 plus sine theta plus cos theta, I multiplied with 1 plus sine theta minus cos theta, the numerator and denominator. And thereby this becomes a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. We simplify this and we have arrived at this point 1 plus sine theta minus cos theta by 1 plus sine theta. Then thereby you will get q by p. P and q are both are equal.
Equal.
We say that q by p is equal to 1.
Equal to 1.
Yeah.
It is there, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
It's there in textbook, sir.
Yeah, you tell me, is it the correction or not?
It's correct. What you wrote is correct, sir.
That's what. So this is a printing error. That's a printing error. So it should be like this. Clear now, Bhavi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. It is in the beginning exercise.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, let's move on to the next question. Just see this. And this type of, if it is objective question now, within one step you can say the answer, Maurya. Within one step you can say the answer, but if it is to be subject to question, if it is given in your board examination, of course you have to do it in a different way. So what we do, simply put theta is equal to 0 degrees. Then what happens? 6 into 0 plus 1, 0 power 6 plus 1 power 6. Maurya.
Yes, sir.
Minus 9.
Minus 9
Tell me.
into 1.
0 power 4.
0 plus 1, plus 1 power 4.
You need not have to write that, just I'm showing that.
Right, sir. Plus 4.
Power 4, power 6 need not be written. Just for the sake of understanding, I'm writing that. Plus 4. So what is that?
Plus 1. 1, 1.
That's it. This is called cross verification. You can solve the problems in this way if it is the objective examination. If it is subject to examination, then what to do? You have to express this as AQ plus BQ. This as A square plus B square. Let me do that also so that I'll solve it faster. And let me check your algebraic formula also so that will also be understanding. Come on, tell me A cube plus B cube, please. Formula A plus B whole cube. Come on, tell me. Minus 3AB into A plus B. What is A square plus B square, please? A plus B whole square minus 2AB. You did not say, I wrote both the formula.
Okay.
I hope you know this. If you don't know, please recollect. If you forget, recollect them, please. Now, what I'm doing, Bhavi, do you help me out in writing this now? We'll be writing this as sine square theta whole cube.
Yes, sir.
Now, come on, tell me. Sine square theta plus cos square theta whole cube minus, instead of A sine square theta, instead of B cos square theta, into, instead of A sine square theta, instead of B cos square theta. Maurya, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Minus 9 into, do you tell me here? Apply this second formula to this part. Sine 4 theta plus cos 4 theta. You have to write that as sine square theta whole square.
Sine square theta whole square. So that's sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 sin square theta cos square, 2 sin square theta cos square theta.
Plus 4. Keep it as it is. And obviously this is 1. Correct, no? This is 1.
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
1.
sir.
This is 1. Then what is the remaining? Let us write.
1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta.
Correct?
Minus 9 minus 2 sin square theta cos square
Minus
theta
9 into
plus 1.
minus 2. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. My bad.
This is 6 we have forgotten here. 6 is there.
Yes, sir.
So what should be this then?
That's a 1 will be changed to 6.
And this one?
That will be 18.
So what are the
Plus
terms getting
18.
cancelled now?
18 sin square theta cos square theta will get cancelled.
So 6 plus 4, 10 minus 9, 1. That's it, please. This is the method if it is given in the board level. Because you must be stronger in both the aspects. Of course, but the object is we don't waste our time by doing all this. Simply, we put theta some value and we verify. You can put theta 0, you can put theta 90, you can put theta 45, you can put theta 30. Whatever the value you put, you'll get the same answer. Clear? Now this
Yes,
one,
sir.
please. Here also, of course, you can go for cross verification. You can go for cross verification, but you should not give theta 45 because if you give theta 45, this becomes 1, 1 minus 1, denominator 0, and here also denominator 0. So that's the reason why you should not put theta 45 degrees. You can give any other value than that which defines it. You can even should not give theta 90 in this case, theta 0 in this case. You can give any other value. Instead of that, we will simplify this. That will be better. Come on, do you tell me how that cot theta can be written in terms of sine and cos?
1 minus cos theta by sin theta.
Yeah, tell me the next.
Cos theta by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta.
Why I'm converting it? Because the options are containing sine and cos. LCM taken, that goes to the numerator, becomes sine square theta. What will be there in the denominator, please?
Sin theta minus cos theta.
That's good. And here also, cos theta goes up.
Cos theta minus
square.
sin theta.
Cos theta minus sine.
So it becomes sin square theta by sin theta minus cos theta minus cos square theta by sin
Take minus
theta.
common. Here, take minus common and write the LCM. The denominator becomes same. Do you understand what I'm saying, Maurya? Let me take minus.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then what will be the numerator?
Sin square theta minus cos square theta.
Come on, tell me now. A square minus B square.
Sin theta plus cos theta.
You're telling about the answer?
And
Yes, sir.
Correct.
that's sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta.
All divided by.
Sin theta minus cos theta. Cancellation.
What are the terms getting cancelled there?
Sin theta minus cos theta.
That's it. So your option is?
Option D.
That's it.
So this was there in our last year reader exercises.
Oh. In your NCERT textbook?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good then, good. That's good. Now, this one, please. you can follow the same what I said. But here, little difference is there. What is the difference? You must give theta value lying between 45 and 90 only. This is the twist here. This is the twist here. Do you understand what I'm saying? You must give a
Yes,
value
sir.
lying between 45 and 90. Tell me one value, please.
60.
But the options are not given. A recent ITJ main examination, previous question.
No.
60 you can give. Bhavi,
Pi
are you
by
there?
3.
Theta is equal to 60 degrees. Then give an expression. Come on, tell me. 3 into sine 60
Root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 6 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 4 into root 3 by 2
whole power.
whole power 6.
Take that 2 power 4 out, which becomes 60. This is root 3 minus 1 whole power 4 plus 6 by 4 out. Root 3 plus 1 whole square. And this is 4 divided by 64 into root 3 whole power 6, please. 3 cube, no? Root 3, 3 power 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
3 cube, 27. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, you have to expand this to get the final value. It is more simplification, but the options are given in terms of sine and cos only. I have not taken the options. If you see the options that contains sine and cos in the options, then you will put the same value in the options also. Whatever the value is suitable to this or equal to this, we will take that value. Now, how to write root 3 minus 1 whole power 4? First of all, write root 3 minus 1 whole square. Root 3 minus 1 whole square will be 3 plus 1, 4 minus 2 root 3 whole square plus 3 by 2 into this is 4 plus 2 root 3. I wrote that, and it is 27 by 16. Correct, no? Now it will be simplified. 3 by 16 into, if you square it now, 16 plus 12, it is 28 minus 4 2's 8 2's 16 root 3 plus 3 by 2 into 4 plus 2 root 3. Or you can eliminate the 2 also. Multiply, take 2 common and divide it. Then what is that you get? 3 into 2 plus root 3
Plus root 3.
plus 27 by 16. Now you can simplify this to get the final answer. And this should be checked in the options. But here, in fact, they gave the question in such a way that verification goes lengthy in this case. Verification goes lengthy in this case because he restricted theta here. That's what the problem. You should not give whatever theta you like.
Oh.
But theta is not restricted. The problem is in our hands. We can give theta 0, and thereby it becomes 0. It becomes minus 1. It becomes 0. It becomes 1. It becomes 0. So the answer will be simply 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6. 9 is the answer. If no restriction is given for theta. But theta is restricted like pi by 4 to pi by 2. And that pi by 2 is also open there. Open. Open means it won't take pi by 2 value. It won't take pi by 2 value. That's the difficulty. Anyway, in the next class, what I do, I'll get the original question and discuss it. I'll discuss it. But till then, you just understand this simplification. It is
All right, sir.
okay.
Yes.
Bhavi, you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, this one, please. This is also a good question. It's also a previous question, please. What is that given? Sin x plus sin square x is equal to 1. Now, if you see the expression value, which is to be simplified, is this. Total in terms of cost. Check it out, please. Total in terms of cost. So what we do, let us try to convert this to only cost, like how we do this. Sin x equal to 1 minus sin square x. What is 1 minus sin square x, please?
Cos square x.
Yes. But we want the entire expression in terms of cos only. I'm squaring it on both sides. How sin square x can be written? Do you tell me?
Sin square x is 1 minus cos square x.
Is equal to
Cos power 4x. Sir, again with square.
now what I'm doing, cos 4x plus cos square x equal to 1. So what I finally did, I have got an expression, an equation in terms of cost totally. But what is that we require? We require this. Just check the given expression there. Cos x whole power 12 is there. To get to 12 here, what is to be done, Bhavi? To get to 12 here, what is to be done? You did not say I wrote that. I hope you understand that.
Yes, sir.
Power 4 is to be made as power 12, no? So 12 by 4 is 3. That is why we are cubing on both sides. Maurya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now come on, tell me the cubing on both sides now.
Cos power
Cube now.
12
A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B
plus 3ab square
plus 3AB square is equal to 1 cube. Now I think you must get the answer. Come on, tell me the simplified form of it.
cos power 12x cos 12x plus cos 6x plus 3 cos 8x
And
Cos
into 3 cos 8 10 plus 3 cos I mean that's 3 cos
8.
all right
Correct, no?
8 sir, so that's 8 sir. Yes sir.
Is equal to 1.
Sir, we still didn't get it.
Now just check here. Cos 12x is there.
Yes, sir.
6x is
6 is
there.
there.
3 cos 10x is there. 3 cos
8 is
8x
also
is
there.
there. So
Only
given
negative 2.
expression. You tell me please, therefore the final answer. Given expression is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1. I think it's clear. Bhavi, Maurya.
Sir, I
Yes,
didn't
sir.
understand that part, sir.
No, what is its value? If you check now, Bhavi,
Okay. All right.
its value, we got it to be 1. You can see the same here also. Up to that. Just a moment. This is what we have got. Its value,
Alright, sir.
what we did, we substituted here.
Okay, sir.
1 minus 2 minus 1. Bhavi,
Yes, sir.
clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right. I'm erasing this. I'm going to the next problem. This is, let us close with this problem. Let us close the session with this problem. Can you help me out in doing this? Both of you. What is that given? 4 sin theta
4 sin
is equal
theta.
to 3
3
cos
cos
theta.
theta.
Come on, tell me what is to be written next.
Tan
So
theta equals to 3/4.
Yeah. You're right. Then what next is to be done?
Secant square theta can be written by like 1 plus tan square theta.
That's good. Given expression I'm writing. Secant square theta divided by 4 into 1 minus tan square theta. And it is 1 plus tan square theta whole divided by
4 into 1 minus tan square theta.
25/28.
Okay, that's good.
Substituting the values.
Yeah. So 25 divided by 16 minus 9, 7 into 4, 28. So your option is
B.
B. That's it, please. That's it. Okay.
All right, sir.
Let us see the other problems. Yeah, from this one, we will be taking some standard results and we'll be working out based on those standard results, how the objective questions are to be worked out. We'll be discussing in the next session.
All right, sir.
Yeah, Bhavi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we will continue with more objectives in the next session.